Hi students, welcome back. Okay, in this question, we're going to discuss a concept of indices. Okay, so this question is truly you're going to test your indices level. Okay, okay guys, let us move on to the question. Let us see the question. Okay, if you ask me guys, if you ask me, this is not a big type of question. This is not a very problematic of question. Actually, very simple question. So you need to have some idea before you proceed. Okay, so guys, look here. So if you look at this question, you have this is a left hand side, right? This is your left hand side, and this is your right hand side. Okay. Now, if you look at your right hand side, what they already done on your right hand side, they already segregate the y, the base y, right? Can you see the base y? They already segregate separately. They already separate the base y. So what we're going to do now? What is our strategy? Is over here, right? Over here, we're going to separate the y, okay, and the rest is one side. That means we're going to have two different group. One is y, one is v dot y. Understand? Okay, so I think let us move on to the question, guys. Okay, so let me expand first. So I'm going to have here is m square over 3. So I'm going to use the times, guys. I'm going to use times, or you want to use a dot also can, up to you. I'm going to use times because simple one, right? Times. So can I expand this indices? I'm going to expand this indices. It's going to be 3m, right? Can you see 3m over with the y? Okay, guys, look here. Okay, this one you have to be careful because here already have indices and here also have indices. So the indices must be multiplied, right? So the m must times with the 3 here. You're going to get 3m. You're going to get 3m. Understand? Okay, again times. So I'm going to open it this bracket now. Okay, it's going to be y. Okay, m plus with the 2 over 2m plus 2. Then we have equals to the n over y squared. Okay, hope that you understand. I already opened all the brackets. Okay, so hope that you understand, guys. Okay, those who are still having a problem on here, this is like this, guys. Let's say you have a, b, and right? Example, simple example. So let's say outside you have, like, say you have a, example, you have x, right? Okay, you have x. So all the indices must be multiplied. This one must multiply with x. This also must multiply with x. So you're going to have a mx, understand? Over b and x, understand? So same goes to this, guys. Same goes to this. You see here is y over 2. Outside is m plus 2, right? So this is actually 1, you know. This also 1. If they never put any indices, that is represent 1. So m plus 2 must times with 1. The m plus 2 must times with 1. So that's why you have 2 value here. Understand? Okay? So that you understand the simple idea. Okay, so let us continue, guys. So here, what I'm going to do, can you see here? This is a y, and this is a y family, right? This is a y family. The rest, you can put separately. All this is a different family. All this is a different family. That means all this you can group them together. I need just to have two groups. Understand? The blue color and the green color separate. Okay. So if you want to separate them, I think I can do this format, guys. So it's m square over 3 over 3. Okay. Times 3m times 1 over 2m plus 2. The y okay, hope that you understand what I did. I already separate them. The green color all go to the one bracket, and the blue color one is go to one bracket. The blue color is all the y. Okay, yeah, understood, right? So hope that you understand my first step and second step. Okay, guys, this one, you want to solve it or you don't want to solve it is up to you. I think don't waste our time. We no need to bother about this part. So shall we move on to this? Okay. So this whole thing, if you compare, must equals to this part, right? Okay. Okay, come. I'm going to separate for you guys. Can I separate? So it's 2. Sorry, 2, not y. Y. Okay, never mind. I take out first, so it's easy for you. Okay, this whole thing is equals to 1 over y square. That's all, guys. So if you can able to solve this, you can get the answer ready. Okay, come. We're going to solve this. Y m plus 2 minus 3m. Right, got it? So can I bring the y also on top? I'm going to get -2. Understand? So you see, can you see that the base already equal? See, can you see the base here? The base equal, you can equal the index already. Done. So I can have an answer now, guys, is 2 minus 2m equals to -2. Why I can make the index equal? Because the base already equal, right? Once the base equal, index also can be equal. -2. So -2m is -4. M is equals to 2, guys. Settle. You see? Done. Very fast. Understand? Your M is equals to 2. So can you go back and try to understand that? Okay, what I did? First, I open all the brackets. Okay, first I open all the bracket. Okay, done. I will open all the bracket. Second, what I did, all the green color, I put one in one bracket and the blue color is one bracket. So I just name it as a green and blue so that you can understand. The green is without Y, the blue is with the Y. Understand? And after that, what I did, this whole thing, the Y family must equals to the Y over here. So that's what I'm doing over here. Understand? That's what I'm did over here. Then I compile these two. You know, right? If the base is equal, we can minus the index. Why we can minus? Because of the divide. See, I minus over here, right? Because of the divide. And then since my Y is on top, so this Y also I put on top. So I get 92 over there. Okay, understand? You get 92. Understand, guys? So after that, after you get 92, so you can compare because the base already equal, you can equal the index. So I solve until I get the answer. So now this whole thing, guys, this whole thing must equals to the n. Understand? So shall we do that now? So what I'm going to do now, so this whole thing is equals to n. Got it? So I'm going to substitute the value of the n. Actually, guys, if you look at this part, it's actually everything got only n, right? So we substitute. You're going to get n is 2 square over 3 times 3. The n is 2 again times 1 over 2 plus 2 equals to n. So I think you can use calculator to solve the entire things over here. Actually, it's going to end up with the 12. Wait, 12. Bottom is 16. So 12 over 16 is 304. So your n is 304. Okay, guys, that's all. That's the solution for this question. Okay, so I make it smaller for you to see the entire question. Now, this is your solution. Okay, hope that you understand, guys. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.